All right, today we're diving into a topic that's very close, near and dear to my heart, and that's helping self-employed individuals navigate their way to homeownership. There's a common misconception out there that being self-employed means saying goodbye to your dream of owning a home. But let me tell you, that's simply not true. And in fact, while there may be a few extra steps involved in the mortgage process for self-employed individuals, it's certainly not impossible to own your own dream home. First off, one of the key differences for self-employed borrowers when applying for a mortgage is the employment section of the application. For those of us who are our own bosses, we need to identify the incorporation date of your business. This piece of information gives lenders an idea of the stability and longevity of your self-employment that can be found on your corporate tax returns. Secondly, remember that preparation is king. As a self-employed borrower, you're going to need to provide some extra documentation, no doubt about it. Well, 2 years tax returns, possibly one, business license, CPA letters, these are all common things, but do not let this put you off. It's just a bit more paperwork and it's totally manageable with some organization. Finally, and most importantly, don't be discouraged by the myths and hearsay. You have access to a wide array of mortgage types, including traditional mortgages, 12-month bank statement loans, 1099 programs, among others. Each of these has its own pros and cons, and one of them is bound to be perfect for your unique needs. So if you're a self-employed individual dreaming of owning your own home, let's talk. Drop me a message or comment. Together, we'll walk you through the steps and bust through the myths of getting you closer to owning your own home. My name is Darin Hunter. I'm here to provide you with accurate and educational information. Happy to answer any questions. Have a great day. All right, today we're taking a deeper dive into the mortgage process, particularly for my self-employed friends out there. A crucial part of the journey is preparation. And while I'm here to guide you on what you need, it's going to be a process. For most of us, buying a home is going to be one of the biggest financial decisions we'll ever make. But if you're self-employed, it may feel a bit more complicated. But let me tell you, it's really just about knowing the process and having the right documents at your fingertips, and which will make the entire process super simple. The first step to a smooth mortgage application process as a self-employed borrower is organization. You'll probably need 2 years, possibly one, but probably two worth of tax returns at the ready. Now, these aren't just, for show. These returns help lenders assess the income stability and business profitability. So keep those files organized, up to date, and easily accessible. Next, having your business license or letters from the CPA can make this process a little bit smoother. These documents validate your self-employed status and business operations, which are essential in reassuring lenders your capacity to take on and repay a mortgage. Don't forget about your income and expense reports, balance sheets, and bank statements. Lenders are often like to have a detailed picture of both your personal and your business finances. So the more thorough you are, the better. But the key takeaway here is this: the more prepared you are, the smoother the process will be. It's all about knowing what's expected and having everything ready to go. Being self-employed doesn't need to be a roadblock to home ownership. It's just a matter of presenting your financials clearly and accurately. So let's take the mystery out of this. My name is Darin Hunter. I'm happy to help answer any sort of questions, any concerns. I'm going to provide you with an education along the way. Have a great day. All right, today we're talking about options. When you're a self-employed borrower, it may seem like your choices are limited, but that really could be further from the truth. As a self-employed individual, your financial situation is unique, and it's important to understand that there's no one-size-fits-all approach to mortgages. So just like any other borrower, you have an access to a wide array of mortgage types, each of which have its own pros and cons. So let's talk about the traditional mortgages. These are often seen as offering the best mortgage terms, and while they do require a bit more documentation, they can be an excellent option for many self-employed borrowers out there. Now, if you're looking for something more flexible, maybe you don't have traditional W-2s, pay stubs, or perhaps your income fluctuates. In these cases, you might want to consider a 12-month bank statement loan. These loans can be more flexible and may suit your needs better, especially if you have income that varies or if you have significant expenses that may show up on your tax returns, but not necessarily on your bank statement. And that's not all. There's other types of loans that include 1099 only loans, investor cash flow loans, and high net worth mortgages. Each of these can offer flexibility for different kinds of self-employed borrowers. The key here is understand that as a self-employed individual, you have options. Don't let the myths about home buying as a self-employed borrower deter you from exploring these options. As always, if you have any questions, any concerns, reach out to me. My name is Darin Hunter. I'm here to guide you and give you an education. Have a great day. All right, let's chat about planning for the future. If you're a self-employed individual, this is particularly important when it comes to buying a home. But don't worry, with the right team behind you, it's not as daunting as it might seem. You know, being self-employed means that you're used to wearing many hats, taking control of your own destiny when it comes to purchasing a home. The self-starter attitude is a huge asset. But remember, you don't have to do it all alone. That's what we're here for. Having a solid team of professionals on your side can make all the difference in the world. One of the key components of your team members, is a trusted CPA. They play a crucial role in preparing your financial documents you'll need for a mortgage application. Plus, they can provide valuable advice on how to present your income in the most accurate and beneficial way for the mortgage process. Next, you want a knowledgeable financial advisor who understands unique financial needs and goals as a self-employed individual. They can provide you valuable advice and guidance on how to plan for a home purchase in the context of a broader financial plan. And of course, a dedicated mortgage professional is key. As a self-employed borrower, your mortgage needs are unique, and a skilled mortgage professional can guide you through the options available to you, helping you to find the best fit and situation for you. If I'm not your answer, I can help find you the answer. What's most important throughout this entire process is communication, and all professionals working together and have a clear understanding of your home buying goals is going to be key. Planning ahead, setting up a strong team, you'll be well prepared for the journey of homeownership. So if you're thinking about buying a home as a self-employed individual, let's chat. Love to hear your comments, love to hear your questions. I'm happy to help you, and I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. My name is Darin Hunter. Have a great day. Are you self-employed and thinking about diving into the world of homeownership? Well, today we're going to discuss a topic that's often on the minds of many self-employed borrowers: income stability and how it impacts your mortgage eligibility. One of the primary factors that lenders look at when you apply for a mortgage is your income stability. What does that mean exactly? Well, it's simply a way for lenders to assess how consistent and reliable your income is. Lenders need to be confident that you're able to keep up with your mortgage payments. After all, they're lending you hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now, if you're self-employed, this might look a little different than if you're a salaried employee. Your income might fluctuate up and down, or you might have a significant business expense that affects your net income. This doesn't automatically put you at a disadvantage, but it does mean you need to provide a clear picture of your income situation for the lender. So how do we demonstrate that? You know, we demonstrate self-employed income stability. It's all about documentation. Having 2 years worth of tax returns, again, possibly one, is crucial as it shows your income trends. If your income has been increasing over the last couple years, that's a great sign, but don't worry if it's not. There are still options available, even if it's declining more than 20%. Other factors closely tied to income stability is your income, your business tenure, the length of time you've been self-employed. The longer the business history can often work in your favor, as it shows potential lenders that you have a proven track record in your field. So what's the takeaway here? As a self-employed individual, your income stability and business tenure matter. But remember that that's just one part of the picture. With the right preparation and right guidance, homeownership is well within your reach. Remember, if you have any questions about the process, any questions about self-employed individuals or income, I'm happy to help. Leave me a comment. My name is Darin Hunter. I'm here to provide you with some information and an education. Have a great day.